Hey everyone, Jen Thompson coming to you, and I have a brief review for you of the activities of Lighthouse for Life during the past 10 weeks. So you could sort of consider it a COVID-19 review by the numbers. And the first section of things I want to kind of cover with you is people. And I want to just tell you that the Lord has allowed us to have a direct impact in 13 human trafficking scenarios. The impact varies based on the case, and some of it is just networking, and some of it is providing certain provisions or transportation, just a myriad of needs that we are able to help meet. So we've been able to serve up to 13 people in that way. And so that's the people part I really want to highlight and celebrate the most during this COVID-19 review. The second part I want to talk about is our partnerships. And we've been able to provide virtual training for several agencies during this time. And I want to list those for you real quick. Our partners at SASGO, Lexington County DHEC, Life Made Whole International Church, the Cherokee Drug and Alcohol Commission, the New Journey Church, the Rise Above It program in Lexington 2, Palmetto Counseling Association, and the Horry County Regional Task Force. And in that particular setting, I was also joined by Alexis Scurry from the Richland County Anti-Human Trafficking Task Force, and all of that took place virtually. And we're just so thankful for the opportunity to continue to raise awareness and move forward with our partners and not be too hindered by the recent developments. We've also been blessed by several partners in unique ways. And one of those newer ways that we've been blessed is by having guest speakers come in and join us in our virtual team time for devotions. And those guest speakers have represented our partners at Grace Chapel, Forward City, Shandon Baptist, Sac Scott the Presbyterian, Mount Horeb, Radius White Knoll, Calvary Chapel, Northeast, and Fellowship Bible Church in Irmo. So we so love our partners, and that's just a brief kind of way that we've had the ability to exchange encouragement with different partners in the community and across the state. The last thing I want to update you on is provision, and I have two highlights to just sort of celebrate there. One is Midlands Gifts. If you haven't already heard, the community rocked the goal, and the goal was $30,000, and the community, God provided through the community to bring in over $53,000. And then Lighthouse for Life was able to apply for and receive assistance for the payroll protection loan. And so we've been able to receive assistance that will help us be able to keep all of our staff paid during the next 8 weeks because of the assistance of that forgiving loan program. And so we just celebrate the people, we celebrate the partners, we celebrate the provision, and we are here for you. If you need anything, if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you want to know more about what's going on at Lighthouse for Life, follow our social media. We are making incredible extra efforts to ramp up everything we're doing there. So follow us on Facebook, Lighthouse for Life SC, Instagram, Lighthouse for Life SC, Twitter, L4LSC, and also we're ramping up our YouTube page a lot. The content there is getting stronger and is going to continue to grow over the next several weeks. And that is just Lighthouse for Life. You can find it on YouTube. We have our very own channel. Also, you can find a ton of great resources at our website, lighthouseforlife.org. And then I want to bring to you a party, right? We kind of did the letter P theme for the day. And Lighthouse for Life is turning 6 years old on June 5th of 2020. And so we're celebrating our birthday with a virtual concert. And you will find all the details about that, including the singers, a sample of their music, and the time and the location and all those things on our website at www.lighthouseforlife.org. But we're turning 6, and we're celebrating 6 years of service in South Carolina. And we just want to celebrate that. We want to praise God for all he's done, and we want to celebrate it with you. So check out the details, and I hope I'll see you there. Have a great day.